Alright guys, sorry the last video cut out on me before I was expecting it to. I'm going to try to hurry with this video here. So, when you last saw me in the last recording, I was explaining to you that you do not have to do your own research, right? I don't want you to do your own research. I've actually provided the research for you. So here's the deal. If you picked a concrete bunker, you have to read these notes, and I'm going to go through them with you. And when I say these notes, I mean making concrete notes. And you have to watch this mining limestone video, okay? So you're going to read these notes, watch this video, watch this mining limestone video. If you don't watch the mining video, you're probably going to struggle with question 2. So you might as well watch that video. Now, if you did the steel bunker, you have to watch the making steel pipe video. That's of me going through my notes. This here is just going to bring you to my notes. There'll be another video where I go through these notes. You want to click on that one. And then you're going to watch these 2 videos here about turning iron into steel and how it affects the environment. So again, concrete bunkers, these are your 2 links, right? Steel bunkers, these are your 2 links. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my notes here, making concrete.